In this video, we will be showing you an overview of a PTA Events website in order to introduce you to some of the features and functionality of the platform. Please note, the viewpoint we are showing is as a site administrator, so those without that particular role won't necessarily see all of these functions. Administrator rights are assigned to the person who first registers the site, and they can then in turn assign roles. This is for security and to help spread the workload. To assign roles, from the main navigation, we'll head to Admin and then Settings. Here you can find several tabs that give you control over various areas of your site, including basic details of your organisation, the Payments tab, which is where you set up Stripe in order to take payments. You can enter your fundraising goals, and the Customer Roles tab, which is where you can assign roles. Heading now to the home page, which in this instance has been set to the shop page, but you have the option to change this. The shop page shows all of your products currently for sale. The Events and Ticket page gives full information about your upcoming events, and you can select these individually or see them all at once. Uniform and Merchandise is where you'll find any product sales that you have set up, like new or pre-loved school uniform or kit. The Dedicated Volunteers page will show all tasks to aid in recruiting and managing volunteers. Your News page to keep your community up to date with the latest. Your PTA is where you can find the About Us section, which contains information about fundraising, your committee and class reps. Also in your PTA are listings of local businesses that you have entered. This could be as a thank you for sponsoring an event, for example. How to contact you, any stored documents and meeting minutes, your FAQs and any polls that you have set up are also found here. The Admin section is where those with access can enter and edit all events, products, site settings, set up discounts, classes and enter committee members. Your PTA Events website will enable you to easily and quickly create events from several templates we have created, including discos, movie nights and raffles. You can see all your archived events, which you can copy to save time, or add your own event from scratch. You can also easily create auctions to further enhance your fundraising. As well as events, you can take donations or set up product groups for sale, like new or pre-loved uniform or kit. You are able to offer discounts and sell by time slots to help manage your Santa's Grotto bookings, for example. You can add files and link them to events, attach them to order confirmation emails, or have them accessible only to user-specific roles, like for AGM notes, for example. You can add pages to your PTA Events website with your own dedicated content, or create a poll if you'd like your community's opinion on your next event, for example. There is comprehensive reporting for you to utilise, which will give you information about your events, orders and bookings, and financial information for your treasurer to easily reconcile the finances. We have two plans available. If you have chosen to be on our premium plan, you have the option to monetise the advertising space to local businesses. On our starter plan, there are no adverts showing. On either plan, you now have further control of the look and feel of your websites, and you can tailor these to suit your needs. As mentioned in the beginning, this is just an overview of the platform, and there is further information available on all functionality in the support portal, the link to which can be found in the description below or from your PTA Events website by heading to Admin and Support Portal. And that's it, you have now seen an overview of a PTA Events website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.